Thumbnail. Hello guys, I'm home. So just come from work. I'm so hungry. I got donut from Coles today and jam donuts. So thumbnail. Hello guys, I'm home. So just come from work. I'm so hungry. I got donut from Coles today and jam donuts. So I'm gonna show you guys kung ano yung binili ko sa Coles. There's a lot of specials, so jackpot! Let's start. This kiwi fruit is from $5. Actually, $4.50 to $2.25 na lang. So half price. The spinach, we'll just leave that one out. The pear is half price again, so 50% off. And the mushroom is half price again, 50%. So that's gonna be my lunch. I'm gonna make that for my lunch. Banana bread for 5 pieces from $5 to $3. Look at this. Ready? And this is the best. I'll show you guys the best. The best. Barramundi is from $10.50 to $4.20. Look at that. I'm gonna make this as a pack stew. Now this one, guys, is I'm gonna put this in my balikbayan box. $1 each. So $1 each for the toothpaste balikbayan box. Here I come. So I am filling my box for balikbayan box for hopefully December. So I'm just collecting more specials. So from Coles usually. Stop annoying me. Tzatziki. This is good for my lunch as well. And I bought some salami. This is not special. So grapes, $6. 60 cents na lang. And this is still really good. Let me just try. Just wash it a little. It's still very good, very crunchy. So yeah, yummy. Yum. And this one is salmon. It's usually the price is $25 per kilo, but this one's on special. So from $12.50, it's down to $5. Diba? Dinner is solved. I wonder what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight though.
Look at all the hair on you.
I know, there's so many dog hair on my body. But anyway, my lunch for tomorrow is spinach with brown rice tzatziki. And dinner for tonight is gravy beef with mashed potato, beans, and carrots. So let's make some tea because it's like 5 o'clock already here, guys. And our tea time is 6 o'clock. So from work, cook, sleep. Work, cook, eat, sleep. Work, cook, eat, sleep. That's my routine. Anyway, if I was in the Philippines, I would just be sitting pretty. Sitting pretty, do nothing, and my mama used to cook all the time. But anyway, guys, let's cook. See you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll show you what I'm gonna cook later. Whoosh. Bilang ko yan. Really, Robert? Stop doing that to me. Oh my God. What is it? Oops. Ay, ba? Ayaw lagi. Stop! $1 each. Ay! Stop annoying me. Mommy, this is not specials. And my husband is annoying. Photobomb. And the grapes, guys, look at this, guys. From $5.
I can't see his face.
Stop. Ay. What is this?
Vad fan är det? Show me. Yeah, the reflection's too much.
Well, turn it off.
Turn it off.
The light.
It's glaring.
Okay, there's no more. Leave my forehead alone. What you gonna do? Come here like this? Inborn defect, so you can't return.
What's on my hair?
What? Just hide it. Bye, guys. No, I'm not buying it because I'm cooking. See you guys.
Oh, hang on. What's that? Doing?
See you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll show you what I'm gonna cook.